the camera more closer.
Good boy, Daddy. I'll get you more.
My dad's gonna be back in a minute when he gets the next egg for Max. Back again.
I'll get you more eggs.
And 3 eggs. You heard him? Heard that? Yeah, he's not gonna puke. He's just burping. Again, Max. Again. Seriously. Okay, now the glueness is coming out.
Yeah. Lick your lips, Max.
Hey,
Good
remember?
boy. Yeah.
He's burping. Okay, now that's his dessert. Eating the egg. There goes episode
Good
8.
boy.